Human Pac-Man is a novel, mixed-reality, interactive entertainment system that ventures to embed the natural, physical world seamlessly with a fantasy virtual playground. It is based on Namco's arcade Pac-Man introduced in 1979. The original Pac-Man is an arcade game controlled with a joystick. Players guide the Pac-Man around a single maze eating dots while avoiding the 4 computer-controlled ghosts. In each corner of the square playfield is a large dot that, when eaten, will turn the ghost blue for a brief period, during which time the table turns and Pac-Man can eat the ghost. In Human Pac-Man, the player no longer controls Pac-Man with a joystick. Instead, she becomes the Pac-Man. Assisted by her helper, Pac-Man's goal is to clear the game space of virtual cookies laid across the game area. The ghost is role-played by another person and assisted by a helper as well. He aims to eat the Pac-Man before she completes her task. To better understand Human Pac-Man, we need to look at the different components that make up the game. Pac-World is the playground for Pac-Man and ghosts. It is a combination of the real, mixed and virtual representation of the game area that they move in. There are 2 opposing teams in the game. The Pac-Man team comprises of a Pac-Man and a helper. The Ghost team is made up of a ghost and a helper. Pac-Man and Ghost each dons a set of wearable computer during the game. They have to put on a head-mounted display and carry a custom-made backpack. Through the head-mounted display, they are able to view the game area in mixed reality. Helpers, on the other hand, participate in the game via a desktop. They could see the real-time VR rendering of the game on the monitor display. Helpers collaborate with the Pac-Man or Ghost by typing messages to them. He has the added advantage over his mobile partner in being able to examine the whole game space. For example, the location of the enemy. There are 2 kinds of cookies in the game. They are the virtual cookies and the special cookies. As mentioned earlier, Pac-Man has to collect all the virtual cookies in the game space. These virtual cookies are shown as blue sphere overlaid in the real world. To collect them, Pac-Man has to walk through these cookies laid virtually in the physical space. This collection is updated real-time in the VR world. Apart from collecting virtual cookies, Pac-Man has to collect hidden special cookies in the game area. These cookies are physical Bluetooth embedded objects with touch sensor based technology for detecting human touch. By holding this object, a corresponding meaning of collecting a special cookie is digitally registered. Pac-Man gains ghost eating power for a duration of 1 minute by collecting special cookies. The game lasts for a maximum of 10 minutes. It ends when either the Pac-Man clears the maze of virtual cookies or when Ghost captures the Pac-Man.